Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Monday 30th May. And right now, yesterday talked about how SLP was breaking the resistance and it's looking to actually make its move to the upside. So in the next coming few days, you might see a huge rally and some huge pumps for SLP to go to the upside basically. So the nearest target that I'm expecting for SLP is up here to the 577 as I spoke in yesterday's video. And all you did is, if I give you a refresher, is you had this resistance line right over here and the prices broke the resistance, back tested, and successfully is climbing up, and you're perhaps creating a new trend line, and you can see this trend line coming up for SLP. So there's a little bit of pullback that I'm expecting down to come here to the 520, 527, and then start to go to the 583, cross the 583 and go to the upside. The EMAs is something that is actually going to help us, give us an idea. So if I dive into the daily, and if you look at it like this on the daily time frame, then I'm expecting the 20 EMA to be retested, and you're already putting in a 3 white soldiers down here. Do you see that? So there's a good chance that SLP does come up to the 631, and that's going to be a nice lovely pump to the upside, like nearly 16% pump to the upside. And who knows, if things get very bullish and cross the 20 EMA as well, then you're looking for SLP to actually come up here to the 90 to for 90% rise to the upside, and that's going to be amazing, man. Really amazing if it does manages to come up here to this level. And one more thing, I'm going to advise a huge stop loss down here to the 473. That's where you're gonna have to place the stop losses. If you try to take out the 473, that's gonna be really negative, and that means you're losing the trend line, and once again you're failing the retest, and you're failing the support level, you're failing a lot of things, and you're going to be looking to come down here. So yeah, at the moment we were very near to this price you know, prediction, which was 333. You only came down to nearly 398 from the time I was predicting the reversal waves up here at the 80s and the 90s. But anyway, it's okay. Just a little bit few drops were pending, but I'm okay with it. It's due to Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin is actually going to reverse to the upside. And that's it for today's update. If you guys want to learn more about trading, do check out my 18 hours of contents. And I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.